Let's make a Jamaican pineapple C.O.F, or Cuban Old Fashioned. To make this drink, I am going to start with the pineapple rum. 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of your pineapple rum. 1/2 an ounce or 15 milliliters of demerara syrup. And I do make my own syrups. Recipe for that will be linked down below if you want to check it out. This is a 1-to-1 demerara simple syrup. And 6 drops of Jamaican bitters. In this case, I'm using Bitter Cube Jamaican number 2. If your bitters don't use a dropper, you may have to adjust the proportions as you see fit. Now I'm going to add my ice. Except for that one. And I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to strain this into the glass. And the Kazan Room Pineapple Old Fashioned did have a garnish. I'm not going to tell you what it is. If you want to see what it is, go to the Kazan Room. I'm not going to garnish mine. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it, a Jamaican Pineapple Cuban Old Fashioned. Jamaican Pineapple C.O.F. Drink with good spirits.